In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted tasks in Asana. If you've ever accidentally removed a task, or you suddenly realize you still need something that was trashed, don't worry. Asana has a built-in way to find and restore those deleted items, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your Asana account and looking at any project or your main workspace. At the top of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Go ahead and click on search. This is where we'll tell Asana exactly what kind of tasks we're looking for. Next, look for a small icon or button that looks like 3 horizontal lines, usually near the search area or filters. Click on those lines. This opens up the advanced search or filter panel, which lets you narrow down what shows up in your results. In the filter panel, find the option labeled status. Click on Status to open the drop-down or selection list. By default, Asana might be set to show all tasks, or only incomplete or complete tasks. We want to change this so that it specifically looks for deleted tasks. From that status menu, choose Deleted. This tells Asana that you only want to search through tasks that are currently in the trash. It's a crucial step because without it, your deleted tasks simply won't appear in the results. Once you've set the status to deleted, click on search again or apply the filter. Asana will now run a search and display a list of tasks that have been deleted based on your filters. Depending on how much you've removed in the past, this list could be short or quite long. Scroll through the results and find the deleted task you want to bring back. When you see it in the list, click on the task name to open it. This will open the task details pane, where you can see the description, subtasks, comments, and any other information that was stored with it. Inside the task details, look for the option to undelete or restore the task. Click Undelete. As soon as you do that, Asana will move the task out of the deleted state and back into its original project or location, along with its previous information. And that's it. You've successfully recovered a deleted task in Asana.